Today, we will learn how to isolate the color of an object in Premiere Pro. First, place the video in the timeline. Now go to the Windows menu bar and select the Lumetri color option. A panel will open here. Now open Curves. Now take the eyedropper of the hue, saturation curves and select the color. Now, 3 dots will appear in the hue, saturation curves. Now, press and hold the Shift key and drag downwards the left side dot. Again, press and hold the Shift key and drag downwards the dot on the right side dot. And it's done. That's all for today. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, GraphiX Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.